exactly a business analyst do? Are you aware about? So basically you might be seeing there are multiple opening across multiple companies regarding business analyst profile, but yes, what exactly a skill set that is required? What is the basic job expectation that a company is having from a business analyst? What are their day-to-day responsibilities, roles and responsibilities in order to optimize up their business? And yes, how they actually optimize up the business. So are you aware about all these things? If not, do watch this video till end. You will be getting lots of idea regarding what exactly a business analyst do, why you should build your career into business analyst, whether it's good suit for you or not, because you know each and every individual is different, how much coding skills is required being a business analyst, and yes, what are the tasks that you have to perform into the daily activity, how much technical side you should be into for being a good business analyst. So before starting the video, I'd like to introduce myself. I'm an IT guy just like you all guys, and yes, I make videos regarding IT companies, college reviews, placement experience, technology experience, interview experience, switching experience, campus to corporate experience, on-site experience and lots more that you can think related to IT and all. तो वीडियो को अंत तक देखना, वीडियो पसंद आएगा चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना, वीडियो को लाइक कर देना और हाँ कमेंट में कुछ भी और पूछना हो तो पूछ सकते हो. इनफैक्ट इफ यू वांट एनी पर्सनल सेशन with me regarding anything that you want to know regarding IT and more, you can check out my top link below in the description box. From there you can book a slot with me, connect with me personally, and yes, I can guide you on to the things that you want to. So before starting the video, चलो वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं. So basically a day to business analyst is the kind of profile which actually identify the business area that can be increased with efficiency and strength the business process. So you should know that एक business analyst वो है जो actually act like a person who try to convert business problem into a digital solution. It's like they should be having an end-to-end knowledge of that particular technology or that particular domain, so that they should be having an idea and functionality knowledge that what exactly can be implemented, how this process can be smoothened in order to give up a better or optimized business solution. So एक बिजनेस एनालिस्ट का काम क्या है? इतने के बाद इतना ज्ञान तो दे दिया. व्हाट एग्जैक्टली अ बिजनेस एनालिस्ट इज डूइंग इज लाइक सपोज आई एम अ एबीसी कंपनी, आईटी कंपनी एंड वर्किंग फॉर XYZ client. They want a requirement that they need to optimize up their sales process. They should be having a particular CRM dashboard where they want to maintain the records of the customer, should maintain the payment activities and all, and if there is some delay in payment, they need a notification that should be going as a reminder to multiple clients, and yes, if that is not being responded, it should be going to an VP. So now being a business analyst, you heard about the business problem. It's like you need to give up a better solution. You need to provide them an optimized solution. You should be having a knowledge that how these features can be implemented, which technology you are working on, and in that technology what is the requirement. It's not like that you just have to take up the requirements and give that to the developers. Actually, you should be having an end-to-end knowledge of that application, of that technology. You should be having a knowledge that how this can be implemented, because being a business analyst, you will be providing a documentation, preparing a BRD, that is business requirement develop documentation. Over there, you should be mentioning that how this feature can be implemented. Suppose this feature is need to be implemented in CRM, Salesforce CRM. That and being a Salesforce business analyst, what you have to do, you have to check out the requirement. You have to check what are the automation flows that can be built over there, how you can attend that particular business requirement through email notification or through multiple automation, what flows you can create, or whether you have to go through multiple declarative or customization tools like triggers and all, whether you have to script that or whether you have to make it with the help of flow. It will be totally depending upon how you are analyzing the thing and how you are providing a better solution. So it's like being an application business analyst, you should be having an end-to-end understanding of that application, so that you should you can actually help the company to optimize their business process with the solution that you will be giving. Okay, now the big question that is hitting in your mind is like, being a business analyst, what is the company expectation? How much good I should be having in scripting and all? So first of all, I would like to tell you, you should be functionally very strong. You should be also having an idea that how scripting is done, whether in some scenario you need to do so, because if some small features need to be implemented and you are onto the client side, you need to be little interactive in a technical way. Okay, so it's not like that you are a blind and you are sitting with a client and discussing regarding any of the requirement. It's like you should be technically fit in order to have a discussion with the client. You should be having a conversion, you should be having a better transforming skill from a business problem to a technical solution, creating a user stories for multiple developers so that they can work on that, preparing a documentation for them so that they can check out the documentation, implement that solution, and yes, give it to you and you deliver it to the client. So this is one of the kind of application business analyst that I talked about. There are multiple more things in this business analyst profile that you need to check out the company's data. As per the data, you need to optimize up the process. There are certain things like you have to closely work with the business hierarchy, and yes, you need to communicate the findings or the gap in the business and try to implement those with the help of the skill set that you are having. And if required, you can also check it out with the multiple teams in order to bridge up the gap in the business. So there are multiple things that can be done. Okay, being a business analyst is prioritizing the technical and functional requirement, identify what exactly client want and determine what is feasible to deliver. It's not like that whatever the client is asking is always feasible to deliver. So to check the feasibility, actually you should be also having a domain knowledge. Then only actually you can check the feasibility. Otherwise it's not possible. Okay, it's not possible to check out the feasibility, or it's not possible to give up the commitment that is I can make that. Okay, so you should be physically you should be having an idea on that. You should be having a proper data oriented knowledge. You should be having a proper analytical knowledge, conversion from a client to company. And there are n number of business analyst profile which actually depend upon the business process. So I hope you got a lots of idea regarding business analyst. If you want to check out some business analyst openings, you can check out the description box. I have tried to find out some of the openings. I will be pasting the links over there. From there you can check out, fill up the form. And yes, freshers also, the less experienced people who want to move into this business analyst side, definitely you can check out and apply for those multiple openings. You can fill up that form, and yes, if recruiter is there, they will be definitely reaching out to you if your profile is suitable for that. I would always recommend never pay for any job, because if any job is asking you for some amount, it's like the scam. Okay, so never pay for that. In fact, if you feel that anyone is asking, just try to report that link also. Okay, after that, if you want to know anything more regarding business analyst, that how you can build your career in business analyst, whether it's best suited for you or not, what, because it actually depend upon the person to person. It's not like that everyone is fit for that. Actually your interest, what's your requirement, what's your goal, it's actually depend on all these things. So if actually it's like that, you can connect with me personally. On the top menu you can find a description link in the description box. From there you can book a slot with me. I can connect with you personally and guide you that whether it's good for you or not. I think I've covered lots of things in this video. If you want to know more, do comment in the comment box. In fact, if you want any personal session, check out the top menu link. चलो मिलते हैं एक नई वीडियो में एक नई इन्फॉर्मेटिव कंटेंट के साथ. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर एंड बाय बाय. Where are you now?